Hello guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to sync notes across devices in Goodnotes in 2026. Do you want your notes available on all your devices? Syncing in Goodnotes makes that possible. And in today's video, I'll show you exactly how to do it very fast just by following some few simple steps. But before we start, here's a quick guide on how to download the Goodnotes application. We're just gonna go to the Play Store or App Store depending on which device you're using, and you're gonna search for the Goodnotes application. Once you find it, you're gonna make sure to click on it and click on install. Once the installation is completed, you're gonna open the application just like this by clicking on open. And once you open the application, you're gonna make sure to sync across notes across devices. You're gonna go to the settings. Let's go to the settings. It's the gear icon here, and then you're gonna find the option to sync. You're gonna click on your icon or your profile icon, and you're gonna go to your profile icon here. Then you're gonna see a lot of settings like this. You're gonna go to account settings to check your account settings, and also as you can see here, there are a lot of accounts linked. Let's go here back here. You're gonna go to the account settings. As you can see, it's linked via Google, so you can use your Google account and sign in another account. You can also check the data in the shared section here, or you can click on the notebook and open it. Then you're gonna click on the export or share option in the top left right corner, and then you can click on share and copy link and export it to your device as PDF or as a link. You can also enable iCloud or preferred sync services and sign in with the same account on all devices and wait for your notes to upload and sync automatically. Syncing keeps your notes accessible anywhere, so set it up once and enjoy seamless access. And if you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.